Good morning, friends. You know, I am Rajkumar Upadhyay as an English teacher and as well as motivator speaker. Today, I am going to give an idea about online teaching. It is a very current affairs. This time in contemporary time, it is going on. Not only in India, all over the world, online classes is going on and all world students are getting education with the help of online system. Now in many people's mind is coming online system. Actually, you know, in our country first time started. Actually virtual class, online classes, online virtual lectures was for the high level, for the ministers, for prime minister or high profile persons were using it. But now it has become very common for the children also. Now online system according to the time and situation, it is a very important. You know, early time there was a traditional education. In traditional education, students used to sit near the in a school face to face. They used to study. Okay, there was no problem. That was excellent. But this time, as time situation is not in favor, we are facing Corona, COVID-19. In that, life is very important. We cannot take risk calling students in a school. Okay, so online teaching, we have to make it effective, interesting, to the point. In some people's mind, it is a confusion. Online teaching is bad. But as a teacher, we have been teaching for the last 3 months in online. My experience is that those students are good. It means those students having interest in study, they understand very well about the chapter. Means they sit in their home in proper manner. If Wi-Fi is well connected, they have no tension. After class over, sometimes we ask our students feedback. Do you understand the chapter? Students tells yes, we understand very well. Likewise, those students, my experience is telling, those students are very good, studious, those students have interest without fear, without any problem, they can learn very well. On the other side, those students are not very good in study. If they want, they can learn also. Because in that teachers teach very honest way. Every teacher wants their students should understand the chapter. So here honesty, discipline, parents guide, these are also very important. Suppose from the school we are teaching, no problem. But in home, it is a duty of mother or father who is present at home. His or her duty to observe the children. What are they doing? How are they studying? Okay. So parents' role is also important here. After some time, students will be habituated. Then without parents also they can learn. There are many types of students. Yes, some are brilliant students, some are medium, some are lower than medium. But according to time, it is good also. You can't say very bad. But in India, maximum people don't understand. But as a teacher, first time we also started online. In that, it is my experience that it is good also. You know, there are many systems are available in mobile. Miss, okay, in that slide share videos, it is not possible in offline classes. In class, traditional class, video and slide share is not available. But in online, there is a slides, pictures are there. With the help of photos, pictures, many websites having teaching aids, we can apply it and it is very well. Suppose we are explaining any chapter. So with the help of picture, we can explain very well. Students will see watch the picture and they can understand very well, and those teachers are very expert in technology. They are using very best method and they are making online teaching very easy, very interesting, and very good. Students can understand that also. But sometimes problem is coming, connection, just net problem. If you have net problem, that time teacher is helpless, student is also helpless. But it is a 1 to 3% problem. Due to 3%, we cannot ignore online teaching. According to time and situation, children are the future of world, future of the country. If children are safe, everything is fine. Okay, so online teaching is a demand of time, demand of situation, and it is very good also. In that we are teaching and students can ask questions also. Students can ask their doubts also, and we have all system. We can solve the students' problem with the help of online also. So it is my request to the parents that you should help in online teaching. Online teaching is not bad. Those students are studious, interested for study, they are learning very well. All chapters explanation line to line is going on. Second thing, in classes, when offline class, in that many students gossip, talk, disturb. But in online, there is no disturbance. You are sitting in your home and teacher is teaching with comfortable way without any disturbance. If your mind is concentrated, you can understand all the things whatever is explained by the teacher. As a teacher, I also teach online my subject. In my subject many materials, teaching aids, pictures, slide share, photos are available. We show the photos on screen to the children, and with the help of that picture we explain that, and after that we ask questions. MCQ type questions are available on online. We just like a game, we start, many students participate and they give very good online test. So this facility is available only in online classes. So online test, pictures are available, videos are available, live class will be going on. Your child will be sitting without any problem in comfortable way in your home. If the child is interested and parents collaborate, cooperate, children can understand very well. So traditional class was the past. Now according to the time and situation, online class is better and very good. We should follow it and cooperate the children, so we can't waste our time. You know, time is very important. Time and tide wait for none. So we have to go with the time. If you are not coming with the time, you will be back, you cannot progress. So as the time, we should adjust ourselves, and only human beings can do this thing. Adjustment thing only humans can do. So we are human being. According to the time and situation, we should adjust ourselves and we should come step to step together. And my appeal to all the parents, we must make online teaching successful, effective, impressive. So if you like my video, please subscribe it. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.